Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question we can see here, left side upper corner. So June 12, 43, variant question number 8. And topic is O-level circles. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I said before, whenever you start this kind of question, so concentrate on one property. What is that property? Always try to start from here. If I start from these 2 points, for example, B starting and C starting, and I meet at this point, it's this point. And let's say this point is, for example, angle is 30 degree. If I start again from B and meet at this B and C, so this is also 30. Reason this arc length and angle here and angle here are 100% equals to each other. In this sense, I can say that this angle is arc length. So what is this angle U? What is this angle U? So they are equals to each other. So I can write easily U here. Now, some of the all three angles, look, I show you in this triangle, at 88, 68, and U equal to 180. So we can solve in this way easily. So I'm writing here 68. I'm writing here 68 plus 88 plus U equal to 180. So U is equals to 180. These two will go and subtract there. 8 plus 8, 16. I get 61 carry. 9 plus 60 for 15. So I got an out of 10, 6 gone. I got a 4. And out of 7, 5 gone, so 24. So I got U is equals to 24 degree. And so I think the first part is very, very clear. So this is done. Another property is very important we have. Can you see this is a cyclic quadrilateral? Yes. I show you this property also, separate page, separate diagram, sorry, I mean to say. So is this cyclic quadrilateral? Exactly. And if this is 88, how to find this angle is very, very clear. 180 minus that. So is this cyclic quadrilateral? Because all 4 points lie on the circle edge. I can say V plus 688. I'm writing here V plus 88 equals to 180. So this goes there, and 180 minus 88. So if I subtract 80, got 100, and then 8 92 degree. So this is Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, very, very clear. Now this is done. Now very interesting part we have left behind, that how to get this W. Okay, listen to me carefully, please. This is a little tricky. Okay, first of all, I tell you one thing. Whenever this is a, okay, look, I show a separate diagram for you. This diagram is very helpful for you. Okay, concentrate fully. I use A letter and D letter. So A letter and D letter, A letter and D letter we have here. Okay, so A letter is here and D letter is here. You can see clearly. Okay, first I show you easy one, then I talk about the harder one. So if we have A and D here, so if A here and D here, and if I join at this point, and this is W, and this is angle at circumference, and this is V, V is 92. If I ask you this 90, how much this one? So W is twice. It's 2 times to 92. So actually this W is 2 times 92. 2 twos are 4 and 2 nines are 18. We say, sir, how this diagram is not matching? No, it is a matching. How? If I bring this A slightly here, slightly right side, you can see here, and D slightly this side. So I have this diagram matching. So this is angle at center, this is angle at circumference. I believe this point is very clear. Let's talk about this question. This is a question of similarities. Okay, I tell you one thing. RSX, which RXX? Please talk about the upper triangle. And this area is given by him as 1.2. Okay, so he talk about PX. PX is 3 times to 3 times to SX. Okay, so so if I talk about this, we can do it easily. This is called area of the large by area of the small, ratio of the large, ratio of the small, and put square on it. So area of large is my question mark because this triangle is a big one. So area of large unknown, area of small is 1.2. Okay, what is this one? We can say that. What is the PX? PX is this side, and what is SX? SX is given by him is this one. So they are in same ratio. Okay, so I can write this is a larger, so it's larger. So this I am writing on the top, and 3SX over SX. Okay, now I tell you what is the logic behind it. Okay, this cancel out, and if I multiply their area of a large is actually equals to 1.2 times 2, 3 to power 2, and 3 to power 2 is 9. And if we multiply 9 1.2 into 9 is give us 9, 10, 1.92, okay, 10.8 centimeters square. Let's talk about the last part, which is the most important part. Okay, here, very interesting property implements is called an alternate segment theorem. How come, sir? Look, you can ask me here, this triangle is here, and this angle equal to this, okay, and this angle is equal to this. So if you try to match, this angle is 4x, very clear 4x. And this triangle I talk about, So this is a 4x also. So because this 4x and 4x matching. But before I start, one more property is very, very important. And what is that property? This is a tangent and this is a radius. An angle between them is 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. So x plus 4x equal to 90 degree. So I can say here x plus 4x equal to 90 degree. So 5x equal to 90 degree. And 5 goes down. So 5 ones are 5 and 4, 5 eights are 40. Okay. Now he's asking JKG. So JKG is 4x. So this 18 will multiply there and that's it. And this is equal to 4x and 4 times to 18. 8 4s are 32, 3 carry and 72 is my answer. Last part G, J, and K. So this angle he's asking us. So can I say this plus this equal to 180? Yes, I can say. So for example, this is y. So I can say y plus 4x and plus 4x plus 2x plus single x equal to 180. This becomes 7x. So I can say y plus 7x equal to 180. But x value is 18 goes there. So I am putting it 18 now here. So y plus 7 times to 18 equal to 180. And it goes there and subtract. And from 180, I'm subtracting 18 times 2 time to sine 7, 126. And when I subtract is from there, I get a 54. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. So this is actually 54. And I believe the point is total clear and question is over.